to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops. Hi guys, I know I am late, but I'm here as promised. I told you guys that I'd go live with you all and reply to your YouTube comments. So yeah, I am ready to do that. And I have my video right here, the How Many official video. So let's see what you guys have commented. Okay, before we go there, I think this is the first IG live that I'm doing after releasing How Many. Kaisa laga? How you guys feeling about How Many? It's out there. It's almost on 3.2 million views. Wow! Thank you so much for loving How Many's music video. How Many in general. It's a very different song for me. It's a very different vibe in general for all my fans. So I'm really glad that you guys are digging it and loving it. Batao kaise laga? I want to see what you guys are feeling about this. Shivan says best. Guys, Shivan is the director of this video with Sunny. Both of them have done such a fabulous job on the video. Huge round of applause for them. So Arman's Fantasia says I can jam on it as a whole. Arman Malik _ loves says how many is love? The perpetual daydreamer. Acha, ye bhi aa gaya idhar. Hi Arman sir. Satya Roy says, how many times is the world gonna hear how many? I mean, uncountable times. Thanks man, Satya. Lots of love. Armalian _ army. Amazing. Loved it. Arman _ is _ prince _ off _ singer _ 2.0 has said it's amazing. Thank you so much. Let's see what you guys have to say. और कौन क्या कह रहा है? Armalian _ army. How many is pyar? Being Armal Malik. Such a dope song, you mean? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm really excited to do this. I think सुबह मैंने story डाला था, मतलब कि go comment on my YouTube channel and I'm going to reply to it. So I'm going to refresh the comments and see which are the newest comments and reply to them. So the first comment that I see after refreshing is by a fan called Ria Talreja. If you're seeing this live, Ria, you've commented this on my video 4 seconds ago. Waiting for the moment when you will top Billboard charts and will win your first Grammy. Lots of love. Wow. Ria, thank you so much. I'm so glad that you've put that out into the universe. And yeah, fingers crossed, I get all the amazing things there are to achieve in the global music world. Okay. Let's see which other comment is cool. Now it's 8:35. Why still don't you come live? I am live already. I was 4 minutes late. Sorry for that. This is a comment that needs to be replied to. Cockroach ko marta hai hit by bhai mera lit. I'm saying that again, okay? Okay, it's written by Adesh Bhardwaj. I know that he has written this so that I talk about it on this live. सब funny वाले लिखे होंगे. Cockroach को मारता है hit, भाई मेरा lit. कमाल का comment है यार. Okay, I'm gonna reply to this. I wrote wah 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 with an exclamation. Okay, and there goes my reply. Okay, let's see. Shweta Padharia, how many times can you look this hot and handsome? Arey wah. Thank you so much. Pata nahi yaar, how many times will I keep looking this hot and handsome? I'm gonna heart that comment. How was your feeling when you were recording the video? Okay. She meant shooting the video, but it's the same thing. I understood. It was the best experience ever. Shrivan and Sunny, the directors, explained the vision for the song. As you know, with Control का music video आप लोग ने देखा है, तो उसमें बहुत सारे colors हैं. There's a lot of light work happening, which I really love. And I wanted to take that to the next level. When I sat down with Shivan and Sunny, the kind of like images we were getting blues, reds, and some really fast visuals at the back so that it would go with the audio. And that's what has, it's just come to life in such a beautiful way. We shot the whole video in just a day. I think it was more than a 12-hour shoot. I think easy 14, 15 hours shoot, I think. Shivan and Sunny, correct me if I'm wrong, but it was amazing. We used this really cool car, which is the Chevy Impala, 62 Chevy Impala, and it's such a legendary car, and we used it in such a modern way, like the lights flashing and the LED thing happening. And my favorite sequence actually is the one where I'm on the bed and there's like this whole spatial galaxy kind of thing happening. Stars, like the whole night sky. I really love that. I'm a big space fan. So that is definitely one of my favorite shots. Okay, let's see who else has replied to me. Commented, sorry, not replied. There's another comment, we want you holding the Grammy in your hand. Wow. So I think we all need to manifest this right now. Hopefully हो जाएगा. वैसे Grammy के बीचों बीच AM है, तो मिलना तो चाहिए. Sorry for my lame jokes. Okay. I think 1.3k people don't have any sense of music. Okay. This is a comment by Anu Rana Bhatt. This is a comment referring to the dislikes on the video. I think she means to say that the 1.3k people who have disliked this video don't have any sense of music. Okay, Anu. I guess they don't. I like that comment. Okay, let's see what else is there. There's a fan called Lehri. I know there are a lot of comments like this, but this is the one that I saw. Lehri says 0.00 to 251 is my favorite part. That means basically the whole video. Okay, I'm gonna heart that comment. Thank you so much. You guys love my work and love my videos like so much. It's a blessing to have you guys with me. So amazing. Is there any surprise waiting for us in this December? Maria Sana. Okay, I'm replying to her. There could be some surprises. So stay tuned. Obviously, I won't tell what's the surprise. Of course, there are surprises. There's always a surprise with me. After watching this video, I too want to make my room same as that wall full of stars. Wow. Even I want a room like that. I hope that in the future I can create a room which has a wall full of stars. Okay, someone here is telling me कि Arman_Amal_gang हमारे कमेंट इनविजिबल हो गए. इनविजिबल नहीं है, लेकिन इतने सारे कमेंट्स हैं, मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ किसके क्या reply करूँ? East or West, Arman Malik is the best. Mr. Best, can you please say hey Afra? Please, it would mean the world to me. And also, can you say some words for your Bangladeshi Armanians? Okay, so this is a fan named Saida Afra, and she is from Bangladesh, I'm guessing. And she said, can you please mention my name and say hey Afra? So hey Afra, if you're seeing this live, thank you so much for loving my songs, loving me as an artist. And can you say some words for your Bangladeshi Armanians? Well, what do I say for my Bangladeshi Armanians? I get so much love from Bangladesh. I actually feel very sad that I've not been to Bangladesh or performed there. A lot of my fans have been calling me there. For some reason, I don't know why a show never, happened there. But I'm gonna make it to your country very soon. I love all the people from Bangladesh. I get so much love from that country. So yeah, I'm going to be there very, very soon once this pandemic gets better. Okay, someone on this live says that being Armal Malik says that Indian beat at 221 has my whole heart. Arman, is that a tabla or something else? It's actually a mixture of three, four Indian percussions. Okay, now that you have already asked me something technical and musical about the song, the whole song has tabla throughout, and that particular section 221, I think, has a mixture of 2-3 Indian instruments. But the tabla is present throughout the song with the beat. I'm sure you guys can hear it. So yeah, I'm really happy that I can use my Indian instruments in my Western pop music. It's a really cool fusion, and I'm glad that I'm able to do it. Shout out to Jimmy, who produced this song for me. He cleverly used these Indian elements in the song. Okay. Ria Bhagchandani, why was your Teu hair missing? Okay, so for all those people who don't know what Teu hair means, Teu hair is that one strand of hair that was coming on my forehead in control. And I only on some live, I think I called it Teu. And तब से everyone's like, where's that Teu hair? हर वीडियो में तो नहीं हो सकता वो Teu वाला hair. So probably next time try करूँगा. But yeah, इस वीडियो में नहीं था Teu वाला hair. That was me replying to Ria Bhagchandani. Lost Stories Music says, bro, next year Grammy. I hope so, man. Fingers crossed. I mean, it's definitely something that every musician dreams of. And yeah, hopefully one day I will get that. I don't know how soon. I don't know if it's next year. But, I mean, tumhare muh mein ghee shakkar. I hope I get it next year. But there's a lot of work to put in. There's a lot of mehnat that needs to go before I get there. So yeah, I'm going to do that. The whole world wants you to collaborate with BTS. That will be fire. Well, I love BTS. I love their music, and yeah, I'm down to collaborating with them whenever they are down to doing something with an Indian artist. I think it'll be really cool for an Indian artist and a Korean artist to come together and do something. Asia represent on a global stage. Saida_Zaheen, saving this live, right? Right. Yes, I am. Of course, I'm saving this live. I mean, come on. I have to, otherwise the fans will kill me. सबका नाम लिया मैंने इस लाइव में, जिन का नाम लिया है. Okay, let me refresh the comments and see what are the newest comments. Okay. Okay, Arohi Sanjida says, how many times will you not get the girl? Yeah, I don't know now. I mean, in every single of mine, I don't get the girl. I don't know why. I think maybe only in Ajana Ferrari mein, I think I'm like kind of. But even that song is about the girl ignoring me. So I don't know what's happening. I think I need to make a in love wala song where the girl is with me and there's no heartbreak, there's no sadness, there's no girl leaving me and going. So yeah, I mean, I should reply to this on YouTube. Okay. How many times will you not get the girl? What do I reply to this? Any suggestion what I should reply? Armal's aficionado. Copied question. हाँ अभी I mean there are a lot of people who are replicating the same questions, but चलता है अभी. What do I do? Whoever asked me this question, ये आंसर उनके लिए है, सबके लिए. So don't feel bad. What should I answer her? Can you tell me? Let me reply and say, don't worry, I'll get the girl in the next one. I promise. I'm making a promise which I know I don't know if I'll be able to keep. Don't worry, I'll get the girl in the next one, I promise. Okay, I have replied to Arohi on YouTube. This is really cool. I'm replying to all your comments. Again, there's a fan who said that Indian Beat at 221 has my heart. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you guys listen to the song so like intricately, like hear every little small detail. Arman, do you remember how many times you've left home in 2020? Naila Zia has asked me this question. Arman, did you remember how many times you have left home in 2020? I've left my house for work, I think around 6 times. One was a how many video shoot. Then there was a how many photo shoot. Then there was, I think, the L Song Association shoot. And 2-3 other times I went for a recording. Yeah, I was recording a few Telugu and Kannada songs. So yeah, I think around 6 to 7 times I've stepped out of my house for work. Who was the first member in your family to see the music video and to hear how many? Palak Nawal has asked me this. Who was the first member in your family to see the MV and to hear how many? The first person to hear how many was my mom. She heard how many when it was made like 2 years back. How many was made 2 years back? Yes. So she heard it then. The first person to see the music video when I got the first edit was my papa. He and I was chilling in my studio and we were seeing the first edit and we were really blown away. I think Shivan and Sunny and Anuj Samtani, who was also the DOP, I think all of them just created such amazing visuals for me. I don't think I could have gotten a better video than this for Harmony. So congrats and like kudos to the whole team who put this together. So yeah, that was me answering your question. My dad saw the music video with me first, but the first person to hear the song was my mom. How many? There's another question, Swati B. What do you think? Do you think the video would have come out better if it would have been shot in Los Angeles? Okay, not lying, not gonna lie at all. I was really skeptical of shooting Harmony's music video in Bombay because my first English music video was Control and it was shot in Los Angeles, and I was really amazed by the whole experience working there and shooting for it there. And of course, when the thought of creating a music video for Harmony came about, I was like, I need to top Control. Like, Control is one level, I need to go a level above that. And I don't know if that's possible in India or in Bombay. Of course, I mean, there are so many people, so many technicians that can really create amazing visuals here. But I was a little skeptical, and I thought that maybe I should wait it out and probably go to Los Angeles and shoot it. But I think Shivan and Sunny, when they presented the whole idea to me and the way the whole videos come out, I wouldn't change even a thing in the video. I think actually, I want everyone to know there was a completely Indian crew shooting Harmony, except for Kristen, who's the lead girl with me in the video. Apart from her, everyone in the video was completely an Indian crew and from Bombay, and it gives me so much happiness that we can create this kind of stuff in India, in Bombay, and achieve this kind of level. Okay, I think YouTube comments, मतलब पढ़ने जाऊंगा तो मतलब it'll be really stressful because there are too many. Harmony गाने की शूटिंग कहाँ की आपने? Upasna Patel. The song has been shot in Bombay. So Shweta Sharma says, how many months till we can see Arman performing live again? Shweta, that's a very tough question to kind of answer. When things get better, when a lot of people can gather together, I mean, it's going to take some time. I don't think it's going to happen very soon. It'll take a year for sure. I believe that. I mean, I hope that things get better before that, but my mind and my heart says that ek saal to lagega. Have you, Armalian's fan club, have you ever played Among Us? No, I've heard so much about Among Us. What is this? Kya game hai ye? Matlab, please koi samjhao. What is this game? I have never played Among Us and I've heard so much about it. Even my friends keep talking about it, but need to get into it. Comment if you feel like I should be playing Among Us. Muham, there's a fan called Muham, and her display name also has How Many, Muham How Many, and she has commented, I'm so glad that the audio was first released because to take everything at once would have been so hard. Wow, I never thought of it that way. I'm gonna reply to her. Wow, I never really thought of it that way. I am so glad you got to experience both of them in your own way. Okay. Comment has been done, and I think that's it for the YouTube comments. I think I should reply to some comments here. Armal's aficionado. What does aficionado mean? I don't even know. Your typing speed. I don't think my typing speed is that fast, but thank you. Sir, you sing superbly in Hindi, Telugu and English. Thank you so much, Talluri Sarika. That means a lot. Wind Chime _7. Justin Bieber के साथ collaborate करो ना. I mean, जभी भी वो होगा, तब होगा. I mean, I have no answer for that because I have never met him. But hopefully I meet him soon. And yeah, I love his music. And if we get to collaborate one day, that'll be amazing. Okay, who else is there? Hi, can you please say hi to me, Palak, Sneha, Shagun, and Nihila? Lots of love, guys. Palak, Sneha, Shagun, and Nihila. Lots of love. Vaibhav.virat.10 हमें वी देख लो सर. ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है, लोग भी के जगह वी क्यों लिखते हैं. मतलब what's the vibe, like what's happening, why is it वी. Hashim Bachu Ali says soon baba. What does soon baba mean? Arman ki hath ki chai says Arman sir, big pankha here. Oh, okay, big fan. Amazing. Good comment. Very nice. How many more? Okay, being Armal Malik says hashtag how many more surprises do you have in store for us? There are a lot of surprises. Song surprises, non-song surprises, a lot of stuff. It's all coming. सबसे पहले तो BTS आएगा, which is the behind the scenes. BTS बोलते तो लोग सोचते कुछ और. They think of the band BTS, but behind the scenes of Harmony's video will be dropping soon. Arman ji, you and your voice just amazing. What's your favorite song in Telugu? I've sung so many songs in Telugu, but I really like, apart from Butta Bomma, I really like Ninnila Ninnila Chusane Kallalo Kallalo Dachane Erappale Vinantaga Kanula Pantage. I love that song. Again, a Thaman Sir tune. Your favorite song and most emotional one is Bol Do Na Zara. Drowsy.mimi.10. Thank you so much, Mimi. And why is your username drowsy.mimi? Arman's Fantasia. Was that mask you wore a few days ago which had your monogram on it a part of your merch? It could be. It could be. Happy birthday, Arman Malik. अरे बहुत दूर है बर्थडे. अभी तक यूजर नेम रखा हुआ है. हैप्पी बर्थडे अरमान मलिक. व्हेन इज मर्च कमिंग? आ रहा है. डोंट वरी प्लीज. डोंट आस्क मी अगेन एंड अगेन. इट्स गोना कम सून. डोंट वरी. I promised you guys and I have spoken about it. That means it's on its way. So it will come to you guys very soon. Make sure it's available everywhere. Yes, don't worry. I will make sure that it is available everywhere. Ananya_Sharma_003. Love from Patna, sir. Thank you so much. Lots of love to all my fans in Patna. I think ये लाइव को हम एंड कर सकते हैं now. But a lot of you guys were requesting to hear Harmony live, so I thought I'll sing a few lines of Harmony with my guitar. 1 second. मैंने बिल्कुल भी ये गाना प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया लाइव. I think I sang it before the video premiere a little bit. I'm still learning it properly. Still very fresh. Look at us now. Okay. The signs could tell you the one at the end. Armal's aficionado. You didn't tune your guitar before? Nahin, it gets detuned very fast. I don't know. I live near the sea, na, so kuch to moisture ka chakkar hai, so the detuning happens very fast. Look at us now, what have we become? I don't recognize us anymore. How many times can we break our hearts? How many times can we fall apart? As long as I love you, as long as you love me too. So that was a little bit of an unplugged version of How Many. I've never played this in its entirety. I did like a short snippet on the Billboard Instagram. And ever since you guys have been asking for like an acoustic version of it. And yeah, probably I might drop an acoustic of this as well. Dekhte hain, there are a lot of things to do, a lot of amazing new things lined up. So yeah, I might do an acoustic vibe of How Many. A lot of you guys are saying lots of love. We pyar you, Arman. I pyar you guys too. I love you all. I'm so thankful for all my fans. Very rarely when an artist takes a new journey, a new step, do the fans actually move with that artist into that new journey. And I was so scared, so nervous when I was doing this whole thing, and I thought ki if I start singing English songs and start this whole new journey, my existing fans might get alienated and might not like my music or whatever, or not accept me in that form, or not accept me as an English pop singer. But I have not seen even 1% of that. You guys have just loved everything that I've put out, be it Control, be it Next to Me, be it How Many. You guys have loved my music despite it being... Some of y'all don't even listen to English music, and you guys made the effort to listen to my English songs. It means so much to me. It means the world to me. So thank you. Thank you to all my fans that love me so much. I'm so thankful to you. I'm so grateful and blessed that I have the Armanian army by my side. There's so many amazing things that we're going to do together. So many amazing things we're going to achieve together. And I say we because I don't achieve things alone. It's all with you guys. Be it the EMA Awards, European Music Awards, that I won for Control. By the way, I didn't do a live after that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for voting for me and making me win that. So like I said, this is not just my journey. This is our journey. We are winning everything. We are getting all the millions of views. We are getting all the amazing comments. It's not me. It's us. It's all of us as a family. And everything that I achieve, everything that I do, is a victory for all of us. A victory for each and every person in this fandom. So thank you so much. Abhi matlab rona aa raha hai abhi, but I don't want to cry on camera. Love you guys so much. It means so much to me that you guys have loved my English music. It's been a dream of mine to do English music, and जब आप लोग इतने प्यार से उसे सुनते हो और शेयर करते हो, despite you guys not, some of you all not even understanding some of the words because you all don't listen to English music that much, it means so much to me. I love you guys. Love you so much. Bye. अच्छा, जाने से पहले good night. Take care. Stay safe. And COVID cases are rising. So please, like, maintain all the social distancing, do all the stuff that's required to be safe. Okay? बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है subscribe, तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.